So I decided to start copying more sneakers. Already opened it. So yeah, anyway. Size 13 Air Presto Mid, Acronym. So Acronym and Nike did another collab, dropped last Thursday, Friday, I'm not really sure. I wanted 2 pairs, the neon green colorway, which is the one right here. I unfortunately missed out on the blue and pink and green colorway. I tried to reserve them both, but I missed out on the one. Into the shoes. As you can see, Air Presto Mid colorway, the white and neon colorway. I really dig this. I don't know if it's the way, but whatever Acronym does here, I think it's really dope. I never really heard of Acronym, to be honest with you, until they did a collab with Nike. I'm not really sure what they do, but whatever. They make cool shoes, so I buy them. But yeah, guys, super quick unboxing. I'm not going to do too much, going into too much detail with these guys. I'm just letting you guys know I'm back on everything. I know I recorded those a while ago, and I still need to upload those. So those are being uploaded soon. Quick unboxing of these Air Nike Prestos and Acronym collab in the black, white, and neon green colorway. And let me know what you guys think of these in the comment section below. Let me know if you guys copped anything last weekend, whether it be these, either other 2 colorways, those ones, the 700s. What else came out last weekend? The 4D Adidas Ultra Boost, I think, came out last weekend. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think of these. And subscribe if you haven't already. I'll see you guys later on. Peace.